Let me show you in this quick tutorial how you can install applications, software, programs, anything else in Mac. Now, there are two different ways that you can do this. One is with the App Store and the other one downloading that software from the internet. With the quick one, we are going to take it out of the way. You want to open the App Store, search for one application that you want to download, and then you want to click into Get. Click into Install. And this is going to ask you to sign in into your Apple account. Click into Get. You will need to enter your password. And once you have done that, this is going to download it and install it in your macOS device. Really simple and easy to do. But what happens if you want to use an application that you don't find in the App Store, like for example, right here? As you can see, I searched for Discord and this didn't find the app. Now, of course, you can download the app for iPhone or iPad, but I don't really recommend that. The other thing that we can do is to open your web browser. It's the same whatever web browser you're using, and search for that application that you need. In this case, again, for an example, is Discord. Once you have found the website of the application or software that you want, click on it. And you want to click into Download for Mac. It's going to be, of course, different for the software that you want. As you can see right here, this is downloading. Once the download is finished, you can already close your web browser, and right here into the downloads, you are going to find it. And you want to click into the file that you just downloaded. Now, to install it, in this case, you are going to need to drag the icon of the software that you just downloaded to the applications folder. Now you can close this right here, and you can even drag it from your desktop into the trash bin. Now you want to open your Launchpad, and you're going to find that application right here. Click on it. And as you can see, Discord is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click into Open. And that is pretty much it, guys. Some other applications are going to be a little bit different, and you're going to have an installer before that, but you only need to follow the instructions in the screen, and it's something really easy to do, guys. So guys, if you find the video useful, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this one. I do a lot of different things, tech reviews, and a lot of stuff. Thanks for watching, my friends. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.